Getting ready to add solar panels. I want to add two 200 watt, so 400 watts of solar panel on here on top of my Smartcap. I've decided to get the solar panels with where they grab light from underneath. So I'm going to paint the top of this Smartcap with reflective white paint from Flex Seal. First thing we gotta do though is clean it right. Putting the tape on. One gallon of Flex Seal. I'm gonna do 2 coats on the roof, and then I got another project to use the balance on. Oop, gloves. I've worked with this stuff once before on my teardrop. I liked working with it. It's heavy. It dries quick. I got one thick coat on. That's all I'm going to put on. I'm going to save the rest for the other project. I got all the tape off. I know this is good stuff because it worked good on my other trailer, my application. But damn, if you're trying to do a nice, neat job, it's really hard to work with. At least for an unskilled laborer like myself. So we're gonna let this dry really good, and we'll come back when I get the solar panels. I'm hooking the power cables up to the solar panel, connecting them to the battery. So I've got the cables with 2 sets of connectors. Handy little tool. Plugged in the cables and the machine beeped. It's turned on. It's still really foggy out here. You can see the sky. Sun's just starting to come through. And I got a lot of water on here. I'm getting 87 watts power coming in already. All right, I've got a wheelbarrow inner tube between the cab of the truck and the cap. Cables are dropping down into a big loop and then coming back up. So if any rainwater runs down the cables, they'll drip off and then they come back up. And I got extra cable just in case, and I got it coiled up and got it going into the charging unit. And of course the batteries are right here. See, but the cables are running down off the roof and between the cab, through the inner tube, and up into the charging unit. All right, we're about midday. You see 355 watts. Saw 365 a moment ago. I can't really see right now in the daylight out here. It's 400 watt rated solar panels, and I'm getting 355. Outstanding.